Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Atypical uterine bleeding. Atypical uterine bleeding may result from anovulation, pregnancy complications, uterine pathologies, coagulopathies. There is a classification called as palm-coin classification which was given by Federation of Gynecologists and Obstetrician. According to it, palm is structural issues like polyp, adenomyosis, leiomyoma, malignancy, or hyperplasia. Coin is functional classification which includes coagulopathy, ovulatory dysfunction, endometrial dysfunction, iatrogenic, and not yet classified.
thank you and thank you for watching.